The number one thing you never want to hear when you first start doing anything is trust the process. So I'm here to talk to you about it. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. If you're new around here, I am Doc Rock. I teach you everything about YouTube, live streaming, and becoming a creator. Yes, I know. All new creators hate to hear it. Trust the process. But now that I'm in the teaching mode, the one piece of advice I can give you is trust the process. I did all the mistakes because I thought, I don't need no process. I got this. I tried not niching down. I tried not filling out descriptions. I tried doing any random topic that came into my head. I tried everything under the sun. I went back and forth and back and forth and back and forth for years. A year ago, I got TubeBuddy. I decided to niche down and I started creating content that I found my groove. It takes a while. So one of the points of doing this Vlogmas situation was to get you past that first 30, because the rule of thumb is the first 35 is straight practice. That first 50 to 100 is finding your groove. After about 100, you'll be a seasoned professional. You'll just crank out videos, edit videos, and fly right through them. Well, the good news is all of you guys that are participating in Vlogmas, you have already got a huge chunk down. You will have knocked out 30% of that first 100. By doing the Vlogmas process, you will have knocked out that first 30%. That's craziness. It's just done. It's over. As you can see, some folks is already starting to find their groove. It just comes. It just comes. So I know. It's a process. That's what Andrew Nixon tried to explain y'all today. And you have to trust the process. There are no shortcuts. There's not a lot of tricks you can do. No weird sub for tubs. Yeah, just don't even bother. Just trust the process. Keep cranking through. After you get past those first couple of reps, it will just come to you. You will find your groove. You'll be comfortable on camera. You'll be speaking fine. I can't even speak fine, and I'm almost 400 videos in. So don't worry about it. Just keep working at it. Keep doing your thing. And the number one piece of advice I can give you in this realm is do not compare your beginning to someone else's middle. You're just starting out. Don't compare yourself to what you see all these other people do. You can take tips from them. You can take tricks. You can get cues. But yeah, don't compare where you are. And that's even including with your editing, your lighting, your whatever, a little bit at a time. Little bit at a time. The journey of 10,000 miles start with a single step by step. A little bit at a time. A little bit of changes here, a little bit of changes there until you find your groove. Trust the process. Don't be so hard on yourself. If you make a mistake, dust off and get right back in there. That's how it's done. Vlogmas Day 17, by the way, don't forget to slap that subscribe button and watch the video that's coming up on screen next.